some examples with Factorise by completing the square. I already made a few videos on this topic. Now what it means by Factorise by completing the square. First step first, you have to complete the square by putting into this form. If you got this form, this is the quadratic, standard form of quadratic. You transform it into the turning point form, x minus h to power square root of 2 plus k. So you complete the square first, and then you gotta use the difference of 2 squared to factorize it. Okay? If you got a squared minus b squared, this is the formula that we learned. Now let's just work on this question. We got x squared minus a squared. This is not gonna do question step 1 first, complete the square. Alright, in order for me to complete the square, I'm gonna look at the formula I know that. I'm gonna follow this perfect square. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. We want to have this perfect square formula completed. This is not complete yet. So let's just go together. X squared minus, follow exactly that, 2 times with a, which is x, times with b is 4, because a divided by 2 is 4. So b will be always equal to the middle coefficient divided by 2, plus b squared is 4 squared minus 4 squared plus 5. So I assume that you already know how to do complete the square. Let's just move on to factorize. So this whole part here is my perfect square. Now remember, if I add 4 squared, I have to minus 4 squared. I borrow and then return it back. And plus, oh look, this is negative 5, I put plus 5 there. So it had to be untouched. So exactly the sign written down. Now I got x minus with 4 to the power 2 as this whole chunk. Negative 4 to the power 2 minus 5. I got negative 16 minus 5 is negative 21. I think you've done this question in class already. Now up to this part, you're going to do x minus 4. Alright, now this part will be, how do I put this in this form of difference of 2 squared? I have to make 21 as a square, right? So it has to be, so 21 can be in the form of 21 to the power 2. So a square of a third, you can cancel it out, you get to 21. So that's why you're going to have minus the square root of 21 to the power of 2. Now this whole chunk here is my a, this is my b. You see? A squared minus b squared, I will have a minus b, x minus 4 minus square root of 21, and x minus 4 plus my b is square root of 21. You have to identify what is my a. My a is x minus 4. My a is x minus 4. That's why x minus 4 doesn't change. The sign doesn't change in between these. What change is between a and b? Yeah, so x minus 4 minus square root of 21 and then plus square root of 21. I think we've done this in class already. Let me find another question that you can do. Maybe we can do x squared minus 4x minus 3. Now I want you to pause the video and try it yourself first and then come back and see how I do it. First step first is to complete the square. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, plus with 2 squared, I plus 2 squared, I minus 2 squared. Negative 3 is untouched, so I rewrite negative 3. Yes? This whole part here is my perfect square. I rewrite it as x minus 2 to the power 2, and then I'm left with negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. Alright, same as this. If this is not a square yet, I'm going to use a third form. So we're going to have square root of 7 to the power of 2, which is going to lead back to 7. Rewrite this. Now, do you see the difference of two square formula? Right, I got a squared minus b squared. This is going to be my a, this is going to be my b. Rewrite, question asked you to factorize, so I'm going to put into that form. X minus 2, you can do plus first square root of 7, which is my b, and then a minus b. X minus 2 minus square root of 7. Right, one more example, and we will see. I want you to double check with your answer if you got the right one. Let me find x squared plus 10x minus 4, maybe this one. Plus 10x minus 4. Okay, now I will complete the square first. First step is to complete the square. X squared plus 2 times x. I'm following this formula. I need to look for my b. b would be 10 divided by 2 is 5. Yeah? Plus 5 squared minus 5 squared minus 4. This whole part here is my perfect square. I rewrite it. X plus 5 to the power of 2 minus. Now we've got to simplify this. Negative 25 minus 4 is negative 29. Alright, now you put them into search form. X plus 5 to the power of 2 minus the square root of 29 to the power of 2. Follow the difference of two square formula. A squared minus b squared. You got, this is my a, this is my b. X plus 5 plus square root of 29. X plus 5 minus square root of 29 as my answer. Now, lots of students make this kind of mistake where you change the sign of x plus 5 as x minus 5, where you got a minus b, which is not correct. Now I want you to label a is x plus 5, so x plus 5 will not change whatsoever. What change will be the difference, what change will be x plus 5, the sign between x plus 5 and square root of 29 will have to be changed. Alright, I think that's it. If you want to challenge yourself for more, I can write some more questions on the board. And that's about it. Alright, x squared plus 6x plus 11. Let's see if you can factorize this, if possible. X squared plus 4x plus 2. As another example, try to do this and let me know how you go with it.